Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add Twitter pixel to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you need to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify main account, and you'll be greeted by this home page of your store where you can find all the options we can access such as home, orders, products, and so on. So guys, for today's purpose, we are going to be using this option right here that says add apps. The apps option is going to enable us to open up the Shopify store. So we are going to do that by clicking the option right here that's going to open up this menu where we can find all the apps we can access, and we're going to scroll down until we find this option right here that says Shopify App Store. You want to go ahead and click on this to open up the Shopify App Store, and it's going to open up your Shopify App Store in a new tab. So in this Shopify App Store, we can find all the apps we can use for our Shopify store, and at the top of this page, we are going to have the search bar. So you're going to use the search bar and search for Twitter Pixel. After searching for Twitter Pixel, this is now going to open up this new results page where you can find all the apps that are related to this search, and the app we are going to be using is called Omega Twitter Pixel Conversion. This is what we want to use to install and add Twitter Pixel to our store. So as you can see, you can use it directly in Shopify admin, and it's going to work with our team, and this is built for Shopify. So what you're going to do is just click the install button right here. After clicking the install button, it's going to open up this new page where you can get started with installing. So as you can see, this app needs access to view personal data, view edit store data, and so on, and you're going to click the install button. After clicking the install button, it's going to enable you to log into Twitter and successfully connect your Twitter Pixel to Shopify, and you'll be able to find it right here under your apps and start using it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.